Good morning, students. Today also a continuation of the general topic. General topic is a very important topic. Actually, in final exam, we are getting only 2 marks from the journal. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే ఆన్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీస్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ లెజర్ అకౌంట్ 5 మార్క్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో 3 కాలం క్యాష్ బుక్ 10 మార్క్స్. అంటే ఒక్క జర్నల్ ద్వారా ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మనకి 2 మార్క్స్ ఒకటి, అలాగే లెజర్ 5 మార్క్స్, 3 కాలం క్యాష్ బుక్ 10 మార్క్స్. కాబట్టి జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ అనేది ఇస్ ఎ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ బేసిక్ టాపిక్. కాబట్టి ఇంకొన్ని సమ్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీని బేస్ చేసుకుని ఇంకొన్ని సమ్స్ అనేది మనం ఈ క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Generalize the following transactions. So generalize means then we can preparation of the journal entries 2019 April 4th. Cash received from Ramu. So we are receiving of the cash from Ramu. Ramu నుంచి cash receive చేసుకుంటున్నాం అంటున్నాం. Then we are receiving of a cash here as a receiving aspect. Then Ramu is a giver. Then it's a giving aspect. So we can preparation of a journal entry is receiving aspect is the cash. So cash account data. Giving is the Ramu. So to Ramu account. Then preparation of entry is cash account data to Ramu account. The next one, cash sales. We are selling of a goods on the basis of the cash. Cash basis మీద goods అమ్ముతున్నాము అంటున్నారు. So we are receiving here, cash is the receiving aspect. Then sales means we are selling of a goods. So goods ని సేల్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటున్నాం. కాబట్టి sales is the credit, is a giving aspect. Then we prepare of the entry is cash account and cash account data to sales account. Then the next one, sold goods to Arun on credit. Credit means so we are not immediately paying off a cash. క్యాష్ ఇమీడియట్గా పే చేయట్లేదు. సోల్డ్ గూడ్స్ టు అరుణ్ ఆన్ క్రెడిట్. క్రెడిట్ బేసిస్ మీద సేల్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటున్నారు. కాబట్టి సోల్డ్ మీన్స్ వీఆర్ సెల్లింగ్, వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గూడ్స్. సో హూ ఆర్ రిసీవర్ హియర్? అరుణ్. అరుణ్ రిసీవింగ్. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. దెన్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి డెబిటెడ్. Arun receiving, then we are giving of a goods. It's a giving aspect, then it can be credited. Then we are preparation of the entry is Arun account data 2. We should not show the goods, then it can be as the sales. Then entry formation is Arun account data to sales account. The next one, purchased furniture from Rakesh for cash. We are purchasing of a furniture. Purchased means then we are receiving of a such thing. So furniture we are receiving is a receiving aspect. Then from Rakesh for cash. We are receiving from Rakesh, but we are giving the cash. Then it's a giving aspect. Then it's the credit. Then we preparation of the entry is furniture account data. We are receiving of furniture. So furniture account data. We are giving the cash. So furniture account data to cash account. Next is stationery purchased. Stationery means it's a pen, pencil for then ఇన్ అకౌంటెన్సీలో కానీ ఏంటంటే మనం ఇక్కడ ఆఫీస్ వర్క్లో కూడా పెన్లు, పెన్సిళ్ళు, బుక్స్ ఇలాంటివి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. దోస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ స్టేషనరీ. బట్ అన్నిటినీ కూడా కలిపి మనం స్టేషనరీ అంటాం. సో స్టేషనరీ పర్చేస్డ్ అంటున్నారు. సో స్టేషనరీ పర్చేస్డ్ మీన్స్ వీఆర్ రిసీవింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ స్టేషనరీ, దెన్ గివింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్యాష్. Here we can be preparation of a entry is stationery account data. Giving aspect is the cash. So stationery account data to cash account. The next one, salaries paid to manager. So we are paying off a salary to the manager. Salary is expenses to the organization. It's expenses, then it's a debited. In salary means we are giving off the cash. So giving aspect is the cash. Preparation is salaries account data to cash account. Salary is expenses, then it is the debited salaries account data. Salary means we are giving the cash. So salary account data to cash account. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ ఫార్మేషన్లో చూపిద్దాం. 2019 April 4th. Cash received from Ramu. So we are receiving of a cash as a debited cash account data. Who are the giver here? Ramu. So cash account data to Ramu account 2000 being narration is compulsory because it's explanation for the transaction. Why we can be preparation of a journal entry. So being cash received from Ramu. Next 10. Cash sales 5,000. We are selling of a goods, then we are receiving of the cash. Receiving aspect is the debited, then cash account data. Goods is the giving aspect, is the sales. So cash account data to sales account 5,000 being entry for cash sales. So we are selling of a goods on the basis of cash as explanation for journal entry. The next one. The next one, 15th one. Sold goods to Arun on credit. క్రెడిట్ బేసిస్ మీద సేల్ చేసామంటున్నారు. సోల్డ్ గూడ్స్ వీఆర్ సెల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గూడ్స్ టు ద అరౌండ్ దెన్ రిసీవర్ ఇస్ ద అరౌండ్ receiving aspect is the debited. We are giving of the goods is a giving aspect. So preparation entry is receiver is the Arun. Arun account data. Arun account data. We are selling of a goods, then it's right as a sales. Arun account data to sales account 500 being sold goods to Arun on credit. The next date 20 purchased furniture from Rakesh for cash. So here including of a name and also word cash. సో నేము క్యాష్ ఈ రెండు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దెన్ ఇట్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్ ఏ క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్. ఇది ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కింద చూపిస్తాం. సో క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎక్కడా కూడా నేమ్ అనేది మనం చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, పర్చేస్డ్ ఫర్నిచర్ ఫ్రమ్ రాకేష్ ఫర్ క్యాష్. వీఆర్ పర్చేసింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫర్నిచర్ ఇస్ ఎ రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్ ద ఫర్నిచర్. సో ఫర్నిచర్ అకౌంట్ డేటా we are giving of a cash is a giving aspect. So no need to preparation of this name. మనకి ఎక్కడా కూడా ఈ నేమ్ ని చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ అనేది ఫర్నిచర్ కనబడుతుంది, గివింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ అనేది క్యాష్ కనబడుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఫర్నిచర్ అకౌంట్ డేటా, we are giving of a cash. Furniture account data to cash account 6,000 being purchased furniture for cash from Rakesh. The next one. (22nd) Stationery purchased. Stationery means it's a pen, pencils for the organization. All the related to the office. Office related in the transaction. Kabati. So say expenses. Stationery account data. Expenses for the organization then is treated as a debited. It's a nominal account. Stationery account data. Then we are giving of a cash. Stationery account data to cash account 1000 being purchased stationery. Being purchased stationery. Compulsory we read the every transaction compulsory preparation of the narration. ప్రతి దానికి కూడా కంపల్సరీ narration అనేది ఇక్కడ మనం చూపించాల్సిందే. 30 salaries paid to manager. So salaries pay చేస్తున్నాము అంటున్నారు. Salary is expenses for organization then is debited. Salaries account data. Salaries account data. Salaries paid, that means we are giving off a cash. So giving aspect is the cash. Salaries account data to cash account 3000 being paid salaries. So we are paying off a salaries is expenses for business. The next sum. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Bharat. So with preparation of a journal entries 2016 February 1st. Commenced business with cash. Commenced means it's a starting of a business. So we are receiving of a cash as a debited. At that time as commenced. So start చేసినప్పుడు we should not have any giving aspect. So commenced means it's a they brought the capital to the business. ఓనర్ అనేవారు క్యాపిటల్ ని బిజినెస్ లోకి తీసుకొస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి హియర్ వీ కెన్ బి షో దట్ ద cash we are receiving of the aspect cash account data. Commenced means it's a starting of a business. So starting లో పెట్టే అమౌంట్ ని క్యాపిటల్ కింద ట్రీట్ చేస్తాం. Cash account data to capital account. Next, sold goods to Sita. We are selling off a goods to Sita. Sita ki sale చేస్తున్నాం అంటున్నారు. So here receiving aspect is the Sita, then is debited. We are giving off a goods as the credited. Then entry is Sita account data. Sita is receiving of goods. So Sita account data. We are giving off a goods. Then it's shown as the sales. Sita account data to sales account. The next, purchased a furniture for cash from Rani. Here also same like previous sum. Purchased a furniture for cash. We are purchasing of a furniture for cash from Rani. సో రాణి దగ్గర నుంచి క్యాష్ బేసిస్ మీద ఫర్నిచర్ ని పర్చేస్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటున్నాం. రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్ ద ఫర్నిచర్ దెన్ ఇస్ డెబిటెడ్. గివింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్ ద క్రెడిటెడ్ దెన్ ఇస్ ఏ credited. That means furniture account data to cash account. We show the entry is receiving aspect furniture, then giving aspect is the cash. Furniture account data to cash account. The next, bought goods from Ranga. So we are purchasing of a goods from Ranga. Ranga దగ్గర నుంచి goods ని purchase చేస్తున్నాము అంటాం. Bought means as a purchasing of a goods. We are receiving of such a goods. So then we are receiving of a goods as debited. Who are giving here? Ranga. Ranga is a giving aspect. Then as a credited. Then it shows that good means as a purchases account data. Who are given here? Ranga. So purchases account data to Ranga account. Next, paid salaries. We are paying off a salary means it's expenses for business. So expenses are debited. A salaries account data in the form of a salaries. We are giving the cash. So entry formation is salary expenses. So debited salaries account data. We are giving off cash salaries account data to cash account. Next, received interest. Received means we are taken off the cash. So here we can receiving of a cash is debited in the formation of interest. So interest is income for the business. Why? Because they are treated as received. Received means we are taken that amount. ఆ అమౌంట్ మనం రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము అంటే then it's shown as a income. So we are receiving of cash is debited, cash account data. Interest received means is income, then is treated as credited. So entry is cash account data to interest account. మనం ఇక్కడ చూపించేటప్పుడు cash account data to interest account. వీటిని మనం ఎంట్రీలో చూపిద్దాం. 2016 February 1st. Commenced business with cash. Commenced means this is starting of a business. Then we are receiving of a cash account data. At the time of the starting, we brought the cash is treated as capital. Cash account data to capital account 40,000. Being commenced business. Being then we are starting off a business on February 1st. Then second one, sold goods to Sita. So we are selling of a goods, receiver is Sita. Then receiving aspect debited, Sita account data. Sita account data. We are giving of a goods, then is credited, giving aspect, goods then treated as sales. Sita account data to sales account 12,000. Being so narration for we sold the goods to Sita. Being sold goods to Sita. The next one, next third date, purchased a furniture for cash from Rani. We are purchasing of a furniture means we are receiving of furniture account data. Then we are receiving of furniture, then giving aspect is cash is a creditor, furniture account data to cash account 3,000. Being purchased furniture. Being purchased furniture for cash from Rani. The next one, fourth date, bought goods from Ranga 560. Bought means we are purchasing, that means we are receiving of a goods. Receiving is means then we are purchasing. Receiving aspect is the purchases account data are who are given here Ranga, though they are not be mentioning of any word of cash. So it's a credit transaction. Giver is Ranga. Purchases account data are to Ranga account. Giver credited. Purchases account data are to Ranga account 560 being bought. Bought means purchases. Bought goods from Ranga. The next transactions. Next date 6th. Paid salaries 1800. We are paying off a salary is expense for organization, that means business. So it's a debited because we are paying means it's expenses for business. Salaries account data. Salaries account data in the form of salary we are giving off a cash, that means giving aspect is cash. Salaries account data to cash account 1800 being paid salaries being paid salaries. The next one ninth date received interest. We are receiving of interest in the form of the cash. So it's a receiving aspect is the debited. Then we are receiving interest. So receiving means income to the business. Income is according to the nominal rule. All the expenses debited, all the incomes are credited, then is credited. So entry is cash receiving is cash account data. Receiving aspect is debited, then cash account data in the form of interest. Cash account data to interest account 1750 being received interest being received interest. The next sum journalize the following transactions. So that means preparation of journal entry 2017 July 1st. Brought cash into business. Brought means we are bringing. Brought cash into business. Brought means is also treated as started and also called as commenced. That means the started of a business. బిజినెస్ ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్లు లెక్క కాబట్టి బ్రాడ్ క్యాష్ ఇన్ టు బిజినెస్ దే ఆర్ బ్రింగింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సమ్ అమౌంట్ ఫర్ ద బిజినెస్ దట్ మీన్స్ క్యాష్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇస్ ఎ రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్ డెబిటెడ్ సో బ్రాడ్ మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్ లోకి తీసుకొచ్చారు ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ క్యాపిటల్. So by preparation of a entry is receiving aspect is the cash account data. Commenced means we are starting, that is called as a capital. Cash account data, receiving aspect cash account data. So in the formation of the capital, cash account data to capital account. Next fourth, sold goods to Ashok. We are selling of a goods to the Ashok. Ashok ki sale chestunam antaru. So here receiving aspect is the Ashok is debited. That means Ashok account data. Then giving the goods is credit. Giving aspect entry is Ashok account debtor, sales account. Then we are not using of a goods అనే వర్డ్ మనం ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేయం కాబట్టి అశోక్ అకౌంట్ డేటార్ we are selling of a goods that's treated as sales. Ashok account data to sales account. Next, received interest. We are receiving of interest. Received means we are taken off amount. Then it's a receiving aspect is the cash receiving account. So cash account data in the formation of interest is a income. So cash account data to interest account. Received means we are taken off the amount. Amount taken means receiving is the cash. So cash account data in the formation of the interest. So interest is a income for business. Then it's treated as credited cash account data to interest account. Next, paid rent. We are paying off a rent. Paid means is expenses for the business. Then is debited. So all the expenses are debited. Rent account data. We are giving off cash. So entry is rent account data to cash account. Next, purchased machinery from Suresh. We are purchasing of a machinery from Suresh. సో సురేష్ దగ్గర నుంచి మెషినరీ పర్చేస్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటున్నారు. దెన్ రిసీవింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఈస్ మెషినరీ. హూ ఆర్ గివర్ హియర్ సురేష్. సో సురేష్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. ఎంట్రీ ఈస్ రిసీవింగ్ ఇస్ మెషినరీ, మెషినరీ అకౌంట్ డేటా. గివింగ్ ఇస్ సురేష్, మెషినరీ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు సురేష్ అకౌంట్. Next, received cash from Divya. We are receiving of a cash from Divya. Then receiving aspect is cash, receiving cash account data. Giving is the Divya is giving aspect is credited. So entry is cash account data. We are receiving cash. So cash account data. Who are given here? Divya. So cash account data to Divya account. So this can be shown as the journal entries formation. 2017 July 1st. Brought means they are bringing of a amount to the business. Brought cash. What they are brought cash. So receiving is cash. Cash account data. We are starting off this time of a business. So they are bringing of a capital. So cash account data to capital account. Cash account data to capital account 25,000. Being brought. Brought means they are taken off the amount. Brought cash into business. The next one, fourth date. Sold goods to Ashok. We are selling off a goods to Ashok. Ashok is receiver. Ashok account data. Ashok account data. We are selling off a goods. That means we are giving the goods. Then goods is treated as sales. Ashok account data to sales account 650. Being sold goods to Ashok. The next one. Next date is 6th. Received interest. That means we are receiving of a cash is receiving aspect debited. Cash account data. Cash account data in the formation of the interest. So interest received means is income for business. Incomes are treated as credited. Cash account data to interest account 300 being received interest being received interest. The next date 8th paid rent. So rent paid means is a expenses for business. Nominal rule, all the expenses are debited. So expense is rent. Rent account data. In the formation of a rent, we are giving of cash. Giving aspect is cash. Rent account data to cash account 5000 being paid rent. The next transaction date 9th purchased machinery from Suresh. We are purchasing of a machinery means we are receiving machinery account data or machinery account data. Giver is Suresh. So credit machinery account data to Suresh account 15,000 being purchased machinery. We are purchasing of machinery being purchased machinery from Suresh. Next 18 received a cash from Divya. We are receiving of a cash then is debited cash account data or cash account data. Who are the giver here? Divya. So cash account data to Divya account. Then amount is 4,000 being received cash from Divya. The next one journalize the following transaction in the books of Naresh. So prepare of the journal entries 2019 April 1st cash received from Ramya. So Ramya దగ్గర నుంచి cash receive చేసుకుంటున్నాం. Then we are receiving of a cash is receiving aspect debited cash account data. Giving aspect is Ramya is giving the cash. So is a giving aspect is created. So then writing a entry is receiving aspect cash account data. Giver is Ramya, cash account data to Ramya account. Next, cash paid to Kavya. We are paying off a cash to Kavya. Receiving is Kavya, receiving aspect debited. What is we are giving cash? So it's a giving aspect credited. Then prepare the entry is Kavya account data to cash account. Then purchased a computer from Santosh for cash. We are purchasing of a computer from Santosh, but we are giving off cash. So here no need to prepare the name because it's a cash transaction. We are receiving of a computer is debited. Receiving aspect is computer, then is debited. Giving aspect is the cash, then is the giving aspect is created. So Henry formation is computer account data. We are receiving of computer, then we are giving of cash. Computer account data to cash account. Next, sold machinery to Raj for cash. Sold means we are giving of a machinery to Raj for cash. It's also cash transaction. Even The indication of the name also, because it's a word related the cash word ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ మనం క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కిందే చూపిస్తాం. Sold machinery to Raj for cash. We are selling of a machinery. What we are taking? Cash. So cash receiving aspect is debited. What we are giving? Machinery. So it's a giving aspect credited. Entry is cash receiving, cash account data. Giving is machinery, cash account data to machinery account. Salaries paid is expenses. So salaries account data. In the formation of salary, we are giving of a cash. So it's a giving aspect created. Then entry is salary expenses according to the nominal rule. All the expenses debited. So salary account data in the form of salary, we are paying off cash. Salary account data to cash account. Interest received. Received means we are taking off the cash. Here receiving aspect is the cash. Debited cash account data. Received. What we are received? Interest. So it's a income for business. Incomes are created. Cash account data, interest account. Here we can be show the entries. Receiving is cash, so cash account data in the form of interest we are receiving. So cash account data to interest account. The next one. 2019 April 1st, cash received from Ramya. That means receiving is cash account data. Giver is Ramya, cash account data to Ramya account 3000. Being cash received from Ramya. The next one, fourth date. Cash paid to Kavya. We are paying off a cash to Kavya. Here Kavya is receiving, then is debited. Kavya account data. Kavya, what we are giving is cash. So it's a giving aspect. Then is credited. Kavya account data to cash account amount 2000. Being cash paid to Kavya. The next one, date 6th. Purchased a computer from Santosh for cash. We are receiving of a computer, then is debited. Receiving aspect is the debitor. Computer account data. We are giving of a cash. Is giving aspect credited. Then entry is receiving is computer account data. Computer receiving is computer account data. What we are giving is cash. Computer account data to cash account 20,000. Being purchased a computer purchased a computer from Santosh for cash. So purchasing of computer, then we are giving of cash, computer account data to cash account, then date ninth, next date. Sold machinery to Raju for cash. We are selling of a good. We are not selling of goods. We are selling of a asset. So sold machinery to Raju for cash. Then we are selling of machinery to Raju on the basis of cash. That means we are receiving cash. So receiving aspect is debited. What we are given is machinery is giving aspect, then is credited. Then entry preparation is cash receiving, cash account data, giving is machinery. So cash account data, we are giving of a machinery, cash account data to machinery account 10,000 being sold machinery, being sold machinery to Raj for cash. Next, next date 12th. Salaries paid is expenses for business is debited. Salaries account data, salaries expenses according to the nominal rule, all the expenses are debited. So expense debited, salaries account data. In the form of salary, we are paying off cash as a giving aspect. Salaries account data to cash account 2000 being salaries paid. Next date 18. Interest received. Received means we are taken off the cash as a debited. Cash account data. We are receiving of a cash in the formation of interest. Interest is income for business, then it's treated as credited. Nominal rule. Cash account data in the form of interest. Cash account data to interest account amount 5,000 being received interest. Okay, so remaining some problems we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.